Hi there, my name is Rahul and in this video I'll explain how to download and activate the free StartAR sample book. For this you need two smartphones, one for running the StartAR app and the other one for downloading the ebook. You can also print the PDF if you don't have any second device available with you. Let's download the book from the website. Open the StartAR website by searching for startar.in. After the website opens, select the Try Free Book option from the menu. Or you can reach this page by typing startar.in/demo. Scroll down and fill the form for the ebook. Enter your name, your last name, email, whether you are a parent, school or distributor. Enter your mobile number. You can use the same mobile number while activating your books later on. Upon submitting the form, you will receive a download link on your provided email address. Go to your email inbox and open the email received from StartAR. Tap the download ebook option and the download will start. Depending upon your smartphone, the book will start downloading or open in your default web browser. Now, download the StartAR app from the Google Play Store. Open the app and allow the media permission. You can capture screenshots and save them directly to your phone gallery by allowing this permission. Then you need to allow the camera permission. As the app is based on the camera, it's a mandatory step. Tap on Get Started button. Now the sign up form will appear. Sign up by filling in your details in the form, or you can use your Google account for this. You can use the same login credentials on two smartphones at the same time for using this app. After entering your mobile number, you will receive a one-time password. Enter the one-time password and proceed further. When you fill the form for downloading the demo book, it generates a unique QR code printed on the first page of the book. Tap on the sample book cover. It would ask you to scan the QR printed on the cover page. After scanning, it activates your sample book and starts the download process. It may take up to 2 minutes to complete this step, depending upon your internet speed. This ebook has all the details and features listed about the StartAR app. Now you need to scan the pages and see how it works. Look for the scan this image sign on the pages. Only the pages having this sign will appear in 3D.
Z. Z for zebra crossing.
भ भ से भालू.
In some books there are some sound icons for the additional interactivity.
भ भ से भेड़. भ भ से भवन. भ भ से भाला.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Eagle.
Almost every element from the book is interactive. You can tap for the repeated voiceover and animations. The sample book has images from the real physical books.
Dragonfly.
Crocodile. Crocodile.
Motorcycle. tiger, tiger, tiger,
horse, horse, colors, red, yellow, green, blue, orange, brown, purple, black, white, oot. Udbilaw.
You'll see the same output on your app screen whether it's a physical book or an ebook. Please share your feedback about your experience, or you can reach out to us if you face any difficulties during the demo. Thank you.